Good day, pageant lovers! Welcome back to my channel where you can always be updated about our Filipino beauty queens. Before we start the video, just don't forget to click the subscribe button for more updates. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Handa na ba kayo dahil ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang top 15 most favorite ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Grabe ang labanan ngayong taon. Beauty, brains, pasarela, communication skills at star quality talaga ang labanan. Sino kaya ang susunod na hahabol sa legacy ni Atisa Manalo at magre-represent sa bansa ng Miss Universe? At ngayon, kilalanin na natin ang ating top 15 most favorite candidates in Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Our number 15, Luciana Laguna, Ashley Subihano. Number 14, Laguna, Isabel Prats. Number 13, Miss Negros Oriental, Fatima Al Sol. Number 12, Muntinlupa, Adela May Marshall. Our number 11 is Miss Kalibo Aklan, Imelda Sueart. Number 10 is Miss Manila, Justine Felizarta. Number 9 spot goes to Miss Cebu City, April Smith. And our number 8 is Miss Cotabato Province, Clarissa Westram. Our top 7, Mr. Tarlac, Marian Arellano. Number 6 is Miss Sultan Kudarat, Jen Rose Javier. And our number 5 spot, Miss Pampanga, Alison Hetland. Number 4 is Miss Baguio, Roxy Bayens. Our number 3 spot is Miss Taguig, Isabella Ismael. Get ready for our number 2, Cebu Province, Nicole Borromeo. And our top 1 is Miss La Union, Bea Milan Windorski. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Universe Philippines 2026 top 15 most favorites. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa analysis na ito, like, comment at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel for more intense pageant updates. Hanggang sa susunod na pasabog mga ka-pageant. Maraming salamat sa panonood. This is Nel2204. Maraming salamat din sa pag-subscribe.